Welcome. This is a place to learn English through stories and real conversations.
You improve listening and speaking and learn about life, culture, and simple ideas at the same time.
More practice, more confidence, and more fun with every story.
Want to know a secret? Time can feel heavy. Time can feel fast. But time can also feel like a gift. This is the story of Tom. Tom always said, "I have no time." He worked, he studied, he hurried. Every day felt like a race. He thought time was his enemy. One morning, Tom saw his grandmother in the garden. She watered the plants slowly. She smiled. Tom said, "Grandma, I am too busy." "Time runs away," Grandma laughed. She said, "Time is not your enemy. Time can be your gift." Tom was confused. A gift? How? Grandma pointed to a flower. "This flower grows little by little. It does not hurry. It takes time, and that time makes it beautiful." Tom wanted to try. He wanted to make time feel like a gift. Tom woke up and drank tea slowly. He looked at the sky. The clouds moved like soft boats. He felt calm. "This moment is mine. This is my gift." He walked to school. He did not rush. He heard birds. He smelled bread from the bakery. He smiled. "Time gives me these small joys." Tom visited his friend Anna. She was sad. Tom said, "Let's take 10 minutes. Let's talk and laugh." They told funny stories. Anna smiled. She said, "Thank you. Your time is a gift to me." Tom understood. When he gave time to others, it was like giving a present. No money, no box, no ribbon. Just minutes together. But those minutes were special. On the weekend, Tom went to the park. He brought a ball. He played with children. They ran. They shouted, they laughed. Tom felt happy. This hour is not lost. This hour is a memory. Time gave me this memory. He wrote in his notebook, "Time is not only minutes. Time is smiles, voices, and stories. Time is a gift when I use it with care." Tom stopped checking his phone every minute. He stopped saying, "I am too busy." Instead, he said, "I will give myself 5 minutes." He sat quietly. He closed his eyes. He listened to his breath. He felt peace. This peace is my gift from time. At night, Tom thought about his day. He remembered the tea, the birds, the bread, the laughter, the ball, the smiles. He whispered, "Thank you, time. You are not my enemy. You are my gift." Grandma smiled. She said, "Now you understand. Time is not something to fight. Time is something to hold gently. When you hold it gently, it feels like a present." Grandma looked at Tom and said, "Let me tell you my story. Time has always been my gift. When I was a child, I had little toys. I played with stones and sticks. I had fun because I used my time to imagine. I learned that time gives joy, even with small things. When I was a teenager, I wanted to be fast. I wanted to do everything at once. I wanted to dance, talk, and run. But sometimes I felt tired. I learned that time is not a race. Time is better when you choose carefully. When I became an adult, I worked hard. I cooked, I cleaned, I cared for my family. I thought I had no time for myself. But then I learned to stop for a moment. I learned to enjoy a cup of tea. I learned to smile at the sunset. I learned that time is not only for work. Time is also for peace. Now I am old. I walk slowly. I speak slowly. But I see more. I see flowers, I see faces, I see the sky. I know that every minute is precious. I know that time is the best gift of all." Grandma touched Tom's hand. She said, Time is not something to fight. Time is something to use with care. As a child, time gave me joy. As a teenager, time taught me patience. As an adult, time gave me balance. As an elder, time gave me wisdom. This is the gift of time. Tom listened carefully. He smiled. He said, "Thank you, Grandma. Now I understand. Time is not my enemy. Time is my gift." One day, Tom saw a boy running fast. The boy said, "I have no time." Tom smiled. He gave the boy a small flower. He said, "Take this." It grew slowly. It used time well. You can do the same. The boy looked at the flower. He stopped running. He smiled. Maybe time can be my friend too. Tom walked away, happy. He knew the secret now. Time was not a thief. Time was not a wall. Time was a gift, waiting to be opened every day.